What's going on, guys? Alright, Christian Congo here from CK Wraps. Now, I started this new channel here and I hope you're going to enjoy it. This is CK Wraps vehicle disassembly channel. So this channel is in hopes to help you guys figure out how to take apart cars in order to vinyl wrap them or replace parts on them. For the most part, I'm taking apart vehicles in order to be able to vinyl wrap more thoroughly. This way I can wrap into further areas, make sure that the vehicle is thoroughly cleaned, all edges, that kind of stuff. So taking off bumpers, headlights, grills, trim pieces, that kind of stuff really comes in handy when you're wrapping a car. It also comes in handy when you're looking to replace something. So let's say you break a door handle or scratch a door handle or a mirror. So I'm going to basically show you how to take apart any vehicle that comes in here for a wrap. And hood scoops. We're going to get into everything. We're going to get into headlights, taillights, spoilers, emblems, door handles, mirrors, trim pieces, in some case the lower rocker panels, fender flares, gas cap covers, everything. Everything that I take off as far as vehicle wrap goes is going to be in these videos. If you guys have any suggestions for the new channel, please feel free to drop a comment below. I hope that I do cover almost all bases. You're going to start to notice certain trends when it comes to certain manufacturers like Japanese, European, Korean, that kind of stuff, American. They're going to be, there's a lot of similarities in all Japanese vehicles when it comes to taking them apart. There's going to be a lot of similarities in European vehicles, especially BMW and Mercedes. When it gets to Porsche, it gets a little bit different. Same with Lamborghini, Ferrari, that kind of stuff gets a little bit different. But again, it's still very straightforward stuff, but I'm going to try to cover all bases. I know not everyone's going to have a Ferrari or a Lamborghini, and I don't often get them in. I do get pretty regular cars for a lot of the time, like Honda Civic Type R right here. What I'm going to show you is how to take off the mirrors, door handles, window trim, that kind of stuff on this vehicle here. Inside the door panels also, so you can take those off to be able to access the door handles. I know a lot of you struggle with being able to do that. Yeah, so I hope this channel is very helpful and gives a lot of people insight on how to go about taking apart their own vehicle. And like I said, just replacing parts in general. This may not be for people who are wrapping cars, but this may be also a channel for people who are just looking to replace parts on their vehicle. Again, guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button because it's going to be big. We're going to have a lot of topics to cover here and a lot of discussion on how I go about removing all these parts. Again, comments are always welcome. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.